Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And 2 weeks ago, somebody asked me how you could add a completely different menu bar below this menu bar. And I'd actually forgotten how to do it. I had to contact my mentor, Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts, and he walked me through it. I'm going to right click on here. I'm going to unlock the toolbar. It's already unlocked. That would be locked. This is unlocked. Then go to Tools, Options, Customization. Now, if you have 19 or 18 and below, it'll be right below here, your customization. Go to Commands, and let's find the nudge. Actually, go to your binoculars and type in nudge. Go to Find Next. It'll take just a second, and there it is. Hold down your Alt key and move it out of the way. Then you press OK. Then here's the trick. Just go right here and just hold it below the bar, and you see it kind of gray out. Now you have a whole new toolbar up here with your nudge distance. And what that does, we don't have anything selected, so we've got a nudge here. But if you've got an item and you've got it selected, your nudge goes away because it brings up the menu bar for rounding off. If you go to your zoom tool, it goes to your zoom tool. But your nudge is still here. So there's our nudge. Select the item and our nudge goes away, but I could still change my nudge right here. Anyway, so that's how you could add and you could put more tools in this bar. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.